we have a secret. A surprise.
Surprise!
Because Speed has planned something special for you today. For this moment, we would like to call on Mr. Eugene Assis from People's Journal and the previous president of Speed to present to you personally your Best Actress Award for your performance in Bakit Di Mo Sabihin from last year's Eddie's Choice. Congratulations!
Janine, congratulations! You may now take the floor and tell your acceptance speech for tonight.
Oh my gosh. Good evening po and thank you so much. I am so honored na talagang kahit hindi po ako nakarating last year, binigyan niyo po ako ng panahon to accept this in front of you. So I'm so happy I get to thank you personally. Maraming salamat po sa suporta niyo sa aming mga artista at sa industriya. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, wala din naman po talagang